I came for this conference to network, meet other people in my field, look forward to opportunities I can get from other people, and also share my research. I have a poster presentation that I'll be making today, so I'm going to also give out what I have, and also I'm going to get some from other people.
I have been part of ASN for 6 years so far, and I try to participate in all the conferences. I love to see colleagues in here, networking and be aware of what's going on with the cutting-edge researchers in our field.
Big studies are presented here in our field, and just cutting-edge, state-of-the-art information, so you kind of feel refreshed and excited, invigorated to go back and do your own research. Besides the information you get, it's networking, it's meeting all my old friends.
Seeing what all the exciting research that people are putting out, since there's only so much you can research and look at on PubMed and stuff like that, so being able to talk to all the researchers, what they're excited about, what's the new emerging trends, that's what I'm most excited about.